चैनल। आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. यू कैन वेयर दिस मेकअप एट एनी ओकेजन, एनी फंक्शन, एनी इवेंट एंड you will just look wow. Yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just get started. To be honest, ये वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल कम और एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन ज़्यादा है बिकॉज दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई हैव ट्राइड डूइंग अ सॉफ्ट ग्लैम मेकअप. आई जस्ट वॉश माई फेस और मैंने अभी कोई प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं लगाया मेरे फेस पे. लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द मेकअप. ओके, नाउ वी हैव अ क्लीन स्लेट. अब सबसे पहले मैं स्किन केयर करने वाली हूँ. मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं लगाऊंगी एक लिप बाम. आई लव दिस लिप बाम. ये है नैट हैबिट का बीटरूट क्रश एंड एज यू कैन सी मैंने ऑलमोस्ट ये डब्बा खत्म कर दिया है. ओके, इट्स वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो कुछ महीनों में मेरी शादी होने वाली है एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन. इसीलिए मैं एक स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो कर रही हूँ, डे टाइम नाइट टाइम, और ट्राइंग टू ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. आई थिंक सो इट्स वर्किंग बिकॉज मेरे फेस पे जो डलनेस थी वो अब थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है. सो मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू यूज अ सीरम. तो अभी फिलहाल के लिए मैं ये सीरम यूज कर रही हूँ. It's Pilgrim's brightening serum that has alpha-arbutin and vitamin C. To be honest, the consistency of this product is very nice. I just take 3 drops of it. इस पे लिखा हुआ है that you should not massage it, so I'm kind of just dragging it around my face. Okay. I just let it dry for a couple of seconds and then I move on to a moisturizer. Moisturizer के लिए मैं कुछ टाइम से ये प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रही हूँ. It is STRA Intense Hydration Moisturizer and it gives you like a collagen boost. So this is really nice. It's for normal to dry and sensitive skin and I really like the consistency. It's like a gel form. लेकिन जब भी मैं मेकअप करती हूँ I try to use this product. This is once again Glycolic Bright Glowing Cream Day Cream and it's of the brand L'Oreal Paris. I've almost finished it. I really like the consistency of this product. Starting में मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया था because I thought that it's giving थोड़ा सा whitish shade. But when you let it sit on your skin for a while, you can see like your skin is literally glowing and it gives you the perfect base for makeup. Also, it has SPF 17, which is great, I guess. So what I do is I just take it on my fingertips. और बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट लगता है. आई हैव जस्ट टेकन लाइक अ ड्रॉप एंड आई जस्ट अप्लाई इट एवरीवेयर एंड देन द बेस्ट पार्ट इज व्हेन यू मसाज इट ऑन योर फेस. कैन यू गाइस सी द ग्लो? The last step of the skincare is sunscreen. So I've been using Pilgrim's sunscreen gel. Excuse me. I've been using Pilgrim's sunscreen gel SPF 50 and this one is also amazing. I've almost finished it. Now let's work on the eyes. तो ये जो सॉफ्ट ग्लैम मेकअप है ना, you have, I'm so sorry, यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू है and I think so the voice is going to be very loud now. यार इतने टाइम से चालू नहीं था और अब भी चालू हो गया है. Okay, so the skincare is done. Now let's move on to the makeup. तो मेकअप का सबसे पहला रूल है you should work on your eyes because when you do it लास्ट में तो जो पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं आई शेडोज के या फिर आपके ब्राउ पाउडर के, मस्कारा वगैरह, वो सब कुछ आपके फेस पे लग सकता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्क ऑन योर आईज एंड देन मूव ऑन टू द रेस्ट ऑफ योर फेस. सबसे पहले आई विल डू माई आईब्रोज एंड देन आई विल वर्क ऑन माई आईलिड्स. For eyebrows, I'm going to use like an angled brush and then this is the Makeup Revolution ka Redemption palette. It's very old but it was also broken, so yeah, I'll be using the last 2 shades. Moving along, now let's work on the eyelids. So I have very pigmented eyelids and I also have like hooded eyes, if you can see. तो मेरे eyelids ज़्यादा दिखते नहीं है, and that's the reason why I avoid using like dark bold eyeshadows. So this makeup look works perfectly for me because you don't need to add like a lot of eyeshadow. तो eyelids को प्राइम करने के लिए सबसे पहले मैं यूज करूंगी इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स का ये जो कंसीलर है. इट्स इन द शेड वार्म येलो. I don't really like this concealer for my under eyes, but this like works perfectly for my eyelids. I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers and then just dab it. Can you guys see the difference between these two eyes? This one looks more opened and this just looks more closed. This one looks more bright and this one just looks more dull. Perfect. So I'm going to use the same palette to do my entire eye look. And then I'm also going to use this palette. So the brand is Mars and the palette name is Mesmerize. I got it for 350 rupees, which is like once again a great deal. And the pigmentation of the eyeshadows is also very great. I'm just gonna use little bit of these pink shades and then this purple one over here, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा light color में मैं use करने वाली हूँ. I'm not gonna use like a lot of it, but you're gonna see the difference in these two eyes. So I'll first work on my right eye and I'll show you guys the difference. Makeup is like therapy for me. Just makes me feel so peaceful. Okay, perfect. So as you can see the difference, मैंने यहाँ पे brown and then pink and then light pink use किया है, and it just looks more muted and more neutral. Now I'm also going to add like an eyeliner, but I don't want like the bold wing eyeliner. I just want more smudgy eyeliner look, if you know what I mean. Let's just see if I can achieve that because I've never done it. This is going to be my first time to do it. I'm just going to use like a tape because I know that I am very bad at applying eyeliner. I'm just going to take like a small piece of tape and I'm just going to apply it. So I'll be using this brush, this palette, और मैं इसमें से ये जो brown shade है ना, ये use करूँगी. Oh my god. And now I'm just going to repeat this यहाँ पे and I'll be back. Okay cuties, I'm back and now let's just start with the foundation. Before applying the foundation I have to do some color correction. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा pimple है, dark circles है and a little bit of pigmentation around my mouth area. So I'll just do the color correction. I have two techniques. सबसे पहले orange color corrector use कर सकती हूँ or else I can use like a salmony shade color corrector. तो I will use this one. I like to blend it with my fingers because थोड़ा सा मेल्ट होके फिर वो स्किन में अच्छे से बैठ जाता है. Coverage of this product is really nice. It is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. ये मुझे around 650-700 की range में आ जाता है. I've been using this brand's products for more than a couple of years, so I know that it works really nice. Color correction is done. Now let's move on to concealing, foundation and contouring. I've like opened Pinterest. Soft Glam Makeup is a natural looking polished makeup style that enhances your features without being bold or dramatic. Let's start by applying the concealer. I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer and then I'll be using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel to highlight. I've got this cute package yesterday. It's like a makeup sponge and it's very adorable. So I'll be using this. Let's test it out. Okay, it's very comfortable to use. Better than a beauty blender, I guess. Because beauty blender में सारा product तो उसके beauty blender के अंदर ही चला जाता है. Now I'll be using this Maybelline concealer. So before applying the foundation, I'm going to use this product. This is Faces Canada Strobe Cream. So this product gives a little bit more of dewiness to your skin. I should have used this before applying the concealer, but I forgot, and here I am. As I said that I should have used it before applying the color corrector and the concealer, because it all just blended in right now. पूरा का पूरा blend हो गया. यार, why do I do this? Why? Anyways, I'll just repeat this procedure once again. Let's apply the foundation now. I'll be using these two foundations because ये वाला बहुत light है और ये वाला बहुत dark है. So I'll be combining these two. So this is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Classic Tan, and then this is Faces Canada HD foundation in the shade Almond Beige. So I've just taken one pump of both the foundations and I'm just going to mix it. As you can see, the shades are so different. One is very dark for me and one is very light. Okay, now let's just apply. Blend, blend, blend. Tap, tap, tap. Oh my god, it's gonna take a while.
It's like a workout for my fingers. That turned out so wrong. It's like a workout for my hands.
The foundation is done now. Let's do some contouring. I'll be using this My Glam Pose HD foundation in the shade Espresso. And I'll just apply it. I have like a big ass forehead, so I'll have to contour it. Let's see if I can use this product once again to blend the contour. Now let's move on to the setting powder. Before using the setting powder, I'll have to use like a liquid blush. For that, I'll be using this lip, cheek and eye tint by Pilgrim. It's like a really cute pink color. I think so it's gonna be a lot, but I like blush, so a little bit on my nose. भूत तो नहीं दिख रही हूँ ना मैं? I think so I'm looking more like a ghost, but let's trust the process. After using all the cream products, now let's start with the powdered products to set our face. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me's loose powder in the shade Medium Deep. It's looking nice. At this point, it's not like a tutorial, it's more like me experimenting. I'll be using this fluffy brush. I'll once again use this brown shade mixed with like a couple of other brown shades. Now it's time for blush. I'll be using a mini blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle of the brand Sugar. Another fluffy brush. I really need to wash my makeup brushes now. Tap it. I guess I've applied like a lot of blush. Once again using this same palette and trying to define my lower lash line. ये भी मैंने पहले कभी किया नहीं है. Let's just hope that it works out. I hope it's looking good. Now let's apply kajal. Can you see the difference with kajal and without kajal? Also forgot some highlighter. बहुत सारे makeup के steps मैं भूल रही हूँ. Anyways, this is like a DIY highlighter that I made. I'll be using this. Now let's apply some powdered highlighter. Alright, first of all, I'll be calling my lashes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Baba, black sheep, have you any luck? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master.
One eternity later.
The makeup is almost done. First of all, I'll be using this lip balm from LIT. It has like a perfect rosy pink color. For the lips, I'll be using this Brown's Lip Crayon in the shade Divine. And I'll be using this applicator to apply this as like a lip liner. And for the inside, I'm using this My Glam LIT in the shade Brown Toffee. I have like a couple of lip glosses, but this one is pretty nice. It's of the brand called Miss Boo. Now let's just apply the setting spray. I'll just wash my hands and I'll be back. The makeup is finally done. Oh my god, it's looking so cute. It's looking adorable. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है यार. Turned out really nice. That's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you really like this video then please इस video पे like कीजिए, मेरे channel को subscribe कीजिए, and make sure to comment down below if you really like this video. जो भी products मैंने इस video में use किए हैं उन सारे products के link मैं description box में mention करूँगी. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you next time. Bye.